I am Debbie Giuliani. I am the daughter of Marilyn CHAVEZ, and we have been blessed to have been approached by CAT to come and redo our heating and air conditioning unit through Kevin Patch, who I work with at the convention center, and we do a lot of community work together. It's been a true pleasure to have them here.
They've been actually wonderful. They came right in and told me what they were going to do, and they've done it.
My name is Ryan Conant. I'm one of the partners at CAT Exteriors. We're a local contracting company. What we're doing here is we're installing a heating and air conditioning unit, a furnace, add-air, for Marilyn, a homeowner here in Anaheim. What we're hoping to accomplish is to kind of get in front of people in the city who have needs that can't really afford to either do heating and air, painting, windows, things like that. And we're just hoping that we're getting in front of the right people and want to give back to the community that we do business in. And we're hoping that we were able to continue this on a pretty regular basis.
It's amazing to see somebody give back and care about the community, especially elderly who can't afford to do things on their own. It's been a true blessing to be able to be recipients of this. I do so much work in the community, and it's fabulous to have somebody give back to us.
Well, Ryan, you guys are a great example of what companies are all about, giving back. Today, watching this, you guys, Marilyn, whose heater is aged and needs to be redone for safety and efficiency reasons, and you guys volunteering your time and equipment and supplies, giving back as a great example to the other companies in our city. We hope this spreads like wildfire and more people give back. And it's very generous of you guys and a great example, and thank you for what you guys do.
Awesome.
My dad would be super proud. He did so much work on this house, and it's so amazing to be able to, he would be so proud that someone's taking care of her and really reaching out into the community and giving back to someone who really deserves it. It's his birthday today, so it's even more of an honor. So thank you so much.
I'm excited.
What a blessing.
Yes, it is a blessing.